Hi, this is the ULEFONE Power Armor 18 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click here this Wi-Fi switcher. After that you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and now we should enter here the password. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll find here Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click here to this Wi-Fi switcher. To launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and after that you could select one from the networks, enter the password and connect. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.